Hello.
Yes.
Get my coffee.
I think you'll like this coffee. You do like it, don't you?
It's very good. Altera's.
Altera's mocha.
Deliciosos. Delicioso. Incredibile.
Okay, so this is the rising action. Are we headed for the climax? And what exactly is our conflict?
You talking about school stuff now?
Now, you're making a movie, you're supposed to have, like, something to say.
I'm reminded of Frank Capra.
He was Sicilian, wasn't he?
Bisaquino. Bisaquino's favorite son. I could show the people the view outside our window.
Show the people the view outside. All those people.
Look, people.
You can put it up on YouTube?
Nah, this is just a test. Let's see how it works.
Now, come on. You saw you got a comment on your horse video.
Which horse? My draft horse?
Mm-hmm.
What did it say?
He said amazing. Beautiful. LOL.
L-O, laughing out. Lay on the floor laughing. Laughing out loud. Tell the people goodbye.
Goodbye. LOL.